We just got new images of new Thomas the Tank Engine merchandise. Hello, it's me, Mayo Hoskos, TWR, and TTTE. So, yesterday, at the time of this video being uploaded, we got these new pictures. People found this from the Spanish Amazon. And I have thoughts about these. I've seen what other people have said. I like some of this stuff, but I don't like some of this stuff. So I wanted to give my thoughts and show the pictures of these new of these four characters. And I have not as many thoughts about the new Annie and Clarabelle, but I'll try and throw that in this video as well. So this is brand new. We just got this before Christmas, and it's an early Christmas present, so to speak, these leaked images. So I want to talk about this. So this new Thomas, why does Thomas have a tender? I do not understand this. Who thought it would be a good idea to give Thomas a tender? That makes no sense at all. I like the proportions. I like that we're getting a Railway Series darker blue. I like the lining, etc. The magnets have always been iffy, and we will always complain about the unprinted buffers and the non-red running boards. But compared to the Thomas Wooden Railway Thomas, this is the 2001, you can see that the faces don't look like it's AI. That's my biggest problem with these new pieces of merchandise. The faces look like it's AI. This 2001 Thomas Wooden Railway Thomas doesn't. Has similar lining, but of course it doesn't have the pinstripes, because that's not how Wooden Railway used to be. And something you'll notice is that we get more accurate wheel configurations. Like when you see Henry right here, he has more realistic wheel configurations for the engine, but the tenders are a big problem. One, the wheels are too small. Two, they're spread too far apart. And three, it's not a good wheel configuration. Four, with these three tender engines, they're not how they should be proportioned. This is the 2003 Wooden Railway Henry. You can see that the tender wheels are close together. The tender is a proper shape. The coal, I'm not going to complain about the coal very much, but you can see this is a better face for Henry. This is one of the better Henry faces. And I'm familiar with the 2003 TWR Henry because it's the one I own. Now, this Gordon, I really like the wheel configuration for the engine. It looks like a proper 462 Pacific wheel configuration. And I like that the tender is slightly bigger than Henry's, but again, why? Why have we got those wheels spread so far apart? It looks so bad having that ugly gap. This is one of the Mattel Gordons. You can see that the tender isn't as big as it should be, but at least the wheels on it don't look like it's been spread far apart. And also, the face is so much better, because you know what? The face doesn't look like it's AI, and I believe this is the Thomas Wooden Railway talking variant of the Mattel Gordon. Now, I normally preferred the learning curve versions of these characters, but I actually preferred the Mattel Gordon. Now, that James, his eyes look like a demon or something. I'm sorry, I don't know what's up with those eyes. I've never liked the James merchandise that has the grey wheels over the black wheels. And if you see widened out pictures of James's tender, it looks way too big. It looks way too big. And just seeing this James compared to the 2001 Thomas Wooden Railway James, this James face is so much better. It doesn't look like it's AI. It's very similar to James's smile face from the actual TV series. And you get the nice gold dome. And like I said, with the Henry, back then they didn't have the pinstripes on the boiler. But again, with the tender wheels, they look proper. And also with James in particular, it's properly sized. And with the new Annie and Clarabelle, my biggest complaint is that the faces are grey. I don't understand why it couldn't be orange, like what the Railway series illustrations were and what the TV series models were. And you can see from this big picture, that Gordon face, not only it looks like it's AI, but it looks way too big. The proportions are so all over the place with this. So those are my thoughts about this new merchandise. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I wanted to come into this video from a Thomas Wooden Railway perspective because that's the main brand that I collect. And there are some hits, there are some misses. I don't like the faces. I always complain about the red running boards. The proportions are a little bit iffy, but the details are fine. So thanks for watching this video. It is appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Have a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, and have a Happy New Year, everybody, because Mattel gave us an early Christmas present with these new merchandise pictures. And a lot of people are going to be talking about these. So, yeah.